Hello students, a warm welcome in my YouTube channel. As you know that pediatric nursing classes they are going on. Already we had discussed about the name of nutritional program and related to ICDS and midday meal scheme. The link for both of these videos will be given in the description box. In this video we will be discussing about other nutritional programs related to child health. The next program is Special Nutrition Program. It came in 1970-71. The beneficiaries were the preschool children, in which we are giving 300 kilocalorie and 10 gram of protein per day. And the expectant mother or the nursing mother or lactating mother 500 kilocalorie plus 25 gram of protein for 6 days per week. Why this program has came? To improve the nutritional status of the target group, and this nutritional program or the nutrition is given 300 days per year. The fourth program is Balwadi Nutrition Program. It came in 1970-71, also known as Anganwadi Nutrition Program. It is funded by central government and launched by voluntary organization. In this program, 300 kilocalorie plus 10 gram of protein per child, that is preschool age children, per day, and it is given to 70 days per year. Along with the nutrition, we are providing primary education to these preschool children, and the program is under Ministry of Social Welfare. The next program is Prophylaxis Against Nutritional Anemia. Anemia means there is lack of hemoglobin. This program came under ICDS scheme and MCH services. It came in the fourth 5-year plan. According to this program, iron folic acid supplementation is done to the pregnant female and the young child. Young child means 1 to 12 years of age, and fortification of common salt was done in this program. The next program is Control of Iodine Deficiency Disorder. It came in 1962 in conventional goiter belt. In 1986, it applied over the national level, and 1992, it was said that the edible salt should be replaced with iodized salt to prevent, because what iodine is doing, it is preventing brain damage and mental retardation in children. So we have to identify the goiter in the endemic area and replacement of common salt with the iodized salt according to Control of Iodine Deficiency Disorder program. The next program is National Prophylaxis Against Nutritional Blindness. For nutritional blindness, vitamin A dose is given in the children. This program came under 10th 5-year plan. The first dose of vitamin A is given at the age of 9 months along with the measles, and the first dose is 1 lakh international unit. Till 5 years of age, repeat the dose in every 6 months and 2 lakh per 6 months. The total dose is given of vitamin A is 17 lakh till 5 years of age to prevent night blindness in children. The next program is School Health Program. Came in 1996-97 under NRHM. It is included in 2008. The function of school health program is health screening of the school children, personal hygiene, eye, ear, skin problem, dental problem and disabilities to be identified, immunization program in which TT is given at 10 years of age, health and nutritional examination and safe environment practices. The next program is Diarrhea Disease Control Program. It came in 1978 to prevent death-related dehydration, because diarrhea, the person will be having watery stool. It will lead to dehydration in any individual. So it will lead to fluid electrolyte imbalance. To control or to prevent diarrhea, we are giving ORS, that is oral rehydration therapy, to the children. So these are the programs related to nutrition of a child. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.